Yes, man.
Chicken batty. You see, in Jamaica, when you chat too much, the question is asked, your name chicken batty? Unlike most of the other comparisons made by old school people, this is yet another one where me don't know how the analogy them makes sense. But what I do know is that I have eaten chicken batty, cooked chicken batty before, and it tastes nice. Chicken in and of itself nice, but you see, chicken batty, like, it have a flavorful, delicious taste, but it's hard to describe. Even though I'm just kind of describe. I mean, I think say it must be from the fat. When the fat cook and render and them things, the flavor just, it's soak up in it. Now, some people don't eat it, you know, but I do. Especially, you see when you dip on the tie, you know, so when you cut up chicken and you peel off a little piece sometimes piece of chicken batty dip on it. And when you cook it and you go so, it's nice. See? But me never try like this when I show up on screen here. And I would like to. First of all, then chicken here, thick. What me say? Thick. So you know say the flavor in that chicken batty there, bro. Pause. That's how now weird, you know. So you know say a whole heap of flavor in it right there. So and then grill it. What better way for you get out the best taste out a piece of meat than to grill it? Imagine this a jerk with some nice barbecue sauce. I don't care what you want to serve it for hors d'oeuvre, breakfast, lunch, snack time, dessert, dinner. Somebody just sort out this and link me forward. I want to tell the truth. For people them where eat cooked chicken behind, it not taste nice. And for the one them when not eat it yet, when you don't look upon this, tell the truth. Like, you wouldn't try it. I see some people, you know, them a go frowns pan cooked chicken, but them are the same people where eat tripe out of manish water. Tripe, aka intestine. Intestine, aka the doo-doo storage. Me not say nothing more. Me not say nothing more. Nice, Zine. But you see, chicken bat, but you go violate me while I make a video.